Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Netflix household verification feature. The Netflix household verification feature is designed to ensure that an account is only used by people living in the same physical location. It works by identifying a primary viewing location, usually through a TV, and associating all other devices on the same internet connection with that household. Now, to set up or update your household, all you have to do is go ahead and open your Netflix application on your TV and navigate to the home screen. Then access the menu, press left on your remote to open the sidebar menu. Then select Get Help, then head to Manage Netflix Household. From there, choose Confirm Netflix Household to set the current location or update Netflix Household to change it. Then choose to receive a verification link via email or text. Then click the link in the message and click Yes, this was me to finish the process. Now, once you do so, you should be able to use the Netflix household verification feature. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.